with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Boy, that barbecue looked good. Is there any other way, right? Okay. As far as the temperatures go, well, a little lower near the water at 81 degrees along the coast, but hot inland at Cotulla at 99, 97 in Hebbronville right now, 88 in Robstown. We've got 85, but our dew point temperature is 75. And we topped out on a heat index, combination temperature and humidity, which is reflected in the dew point, at over 100 today. We've backed off to 93, but it still feels like 100 in Alice and 105 down in Falfurrias. 85 degrees right now. We'll be down into the upper 70s at midnight, but pretty breezy through the evening hours if you're going for that walk or jog to get some fresh air. Temperatures are going to hold pretty steady through the overnight hours. The wind's slowly coming down to about 10 miles an hour around 6 a.m. and we'll dip a little bit below that as we get to daybreak. As far as the winds, they're breezy now. They do lighten up in the morning to single digits except near the coast, so we do get a break in the wind. Tomorrow, a little less wind means a little hotter temperature, up around 92 here. There's a weak front to the north that kind of eases in here tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, but notice on Wednesday morning, light winds out of the northeast, back out of the east in the afternoon, and then they ramp up on Thursday afternoon ahead of our next front that'll come in Friday night. So we've got two fronts coming this week. The second one a little bit stronger. First one will generate a stray shower tomorrow night. This is really a lot more active than I think it's going to be here on Wednesday. And then the clouds break up Wednesday afternoon. We start to heat up again. In the short run, breezy, sticky, and warm in the morning at 75. 87, very warm and humid at noon. Notice the winds at just 12 miles an hour and 15 at 5 and 87 degrees. In between, we'll hit a high tomorrow of 93 here with 80s along the coast and upper 90s as you go inland. Satellite and radar shows high clouds in the area right now. That's a blow off from these thunder showers that'll be coming in later tonight. We won't see the rain. That'll get left behind in Mexico. There's the first front. Again, that comes in tomorrow evening, and the second one will be coming in Friday off to the north. There is very little moisture for that front to work with. That's why only a stray shower. Notice the dry air here in brown and nothing to instigate or lift the air to cause the thunder showers. High pressure does back off over time, and that sends an unusual drop in the jet stream out of Canada by the end of this week, and temperatures are going to get cool, and this will fire off thunder showers here on Friday night and Saturday morning. And I think we will see significant rain here at that time, but it won't be enough to resolve our drought, but it is reflected in the 7-day forecast. Cinco de Mayo is going to be hot. I said 93 earlier. I backed it off to 92 for the high tomorrow. More seasonal here on Wednesday and Thursday, 83 and 87 respectively, lows in the 60s. That's not bad. Heats up again Friday ahead of that front Friday night, and that's going to cause numerous thunder showers. Do not see severe weather at this time. And then cooler after that. Notice the high on Saturday, 75, Mother's Day, 81, and low temperatures dropping down into the low 60s here late in the weekend and early next week. Lee?